Have you ever felt like a jack of all trades, but a master of none? Or maybe you're the complete opposite, someone who can dive so deep into one topic that you lose track of time? It turns out, there's a fascinating reason behind this, and it all has to do with how your brain is wired for curiosity. Let's talk about people who seem to be good at everything. One day they're coding an app, the next they're composing music, and by the weekend, they're learning a new language. These individuals often have what scientists call a diffuse interest pattern. Imagine their brain is like a firework display, with sparks of curiosity shooting off in every direction. When they encounter something new, multiple areas of their brain light up with excitement. They aren't just easily distracted. They are genuinely, intensely interested in a wide variety of subjects. They love to sample everything life has to offer, collecting experiences and skills like a traveler collects souvenirs. This isn't a lack of focus, but rather an abundance of passion spread across a broad landscape. For them, the joy is in the exploration, the initial discovery, and the thrill of learning something new. They are the explorers of the human experience. Now let's flip the coin and look at the specialists. These are the people who find one thing and go all in. They might be the scientist who spends a lifetime studying a single protein, the musician who perfects one instrument, or the programmer who masters one coding language. Their brains operate on what's called a deep interest pattern. Instead of a firework display, think of their curiosity as a powerful, concentrated laser beam. When they find their subject, their brain craves mastery, structure, and long-term focus. They derive immense satisfaction from building upon their knowledge, layer by layer, until they become a true expert. The deeper they go, the more the world opens up to them within that specific field. They aren't boring or narrow-minded. They are the builders, the architects of deep knowledge who construct the very foundations of our understanding. They find beauty in the intricate details in the pursuit of perfection. For a long time, society has often praised the specialist, while sometimes viewing the multi-talented person as scattered or not committal. But here's the crucial point. Neither way of being is better than the other. They are simply different, and both are absolutely essential for humanity's progress. Think about it. We need the explorers, the people with diffuse interests, to venture into uncharted territory, connect seemingly unrelated ideas, and bring back fresh perspectives. Their breadth of knowledge allows them to see the big picture and innovate by combining different fields. Imagine a biologist who also understands data science, or an artist who is also an engineer. This is where groundbreaking innovation often happens. They are the ones who ask, what if we tried this from over there? At the same time, we desperately need the builders, the specialists with their deep interest patterns. Once an explorer discovers new land, we need people to build the cities, create the infrastructure, and cultivate the soil. Specialists provide the depth, rigor, and reliability that turn a fleeting idea into a lasting reality. They push the boundaries of what is known within a specific domain, creating the tools and knowledge that future generations, including future explorers, will rely on. The world's greatest achievements are almost always a collaboration between these two types of minds. The explorer points to a new star, and the builder engineers the rocket to get us there. One brings breadth, the other brings depth. So, if you've ever felt pressured to be more focused, or wished you could be interested in more things, take a moment to appreciate your natural wiring. Your talent spread isn't really a choice you make. It's a reflection of how your unique brain engages with the world. It's about your innate curiosity pattern. Are you a firework or a laser beam? An explorer or a builder? The truth is, the world needs you exactly as you are. Your approach to learning and passion is your superpower. Embrace whether you're drawn to the breadth of the horizon or the depth of the ocean. Your unique way of seeing and interacting with the world is your greatest contribution. Thanks for watching. If this resonated with you, let me know in the comments which type you think you are. And do you and T forget to like and subscribe for more content that helps you understand yourself and the world a little better. See you in the next one.